Hello friends, Hitech Billing Software welcomes you. This is Divya and today we are going to discuss about how to manage taxes on Hitech Billing Software Global Edition. So let's start. For managing the taxes, first you need to go on Settings, then click on Taxation. Here you can manage the taxes. Click on Set Taxes. Here you can set the tax name and the rate. And here example are showing like VAT. If you are having a taxes of VAT, so VAT at the rate 12%, ST at the rate 6%, or like if you are using GST, so GST at the rate. So that's how you can add the taxes. Suppose I am taking as VAT. So VAT at the rate. Suppose I am taking as VAT at the rate 10%. Add the tax rate as 10 and just save it. Now the taxes was added here. You can use the taxes, so you can add the multiple taxes here. Like suppose if you are using like GST, so GST at the rate 18%. So that's how you can add the GST here. Like this you can add the taxes. Then you can create the group also. Like suppose in GST we are having in CGST and SGST, so you can make that kind of group here if you have multiple groups in the particular tax. Suppose like this. So that's how you can add the GSTs here. I'm taking the example of GST, CGST and HDST, which are using on India. So I'm adding is 99% for CGST and SGST. Then just save it. So the GSTs was added here. The taxes name was added here. You can remove, you can delete the GST rate also. Like here, you can delete that. Now in group, you can create the group. So first you need to select the group name. Suppose taking is GST. Group name you are taking is GST. And select the group 1 and 2. So it's CGST and it's SGST. Like this and just save it. Now the group was added here. The group name was GST with CGST and SGST. You can delete the here also and you can delete here also. So that's how you can manage the taxes. The tax group you can add here and multiple taxes you can add here. Then just close it and you can manage the GST. Then after you can set the default taxes here. Like if you only want to use VAT, so you can use VAT. If you only want to use GST, CGST, SGST, you can fix it. Suppose I'm selecting VAT. Allow item tax changes. If you want to allow the items so that while making the invoices you can change the taxes. So just enable this option. Now check the invoice. Here it was showing none. Then just select the product. Now it was showing VAT at the rate 10%. But if you want to change, so you can change also. Like this. You can change here. Just save it. Then you can change the taxes. If you want to edit, you can edit here. And you can select any of the GST tax. So that's how you can change the taxes and just save the bill. If you don't allow to change the taxes, so just disable this option, allow item tax changes. Then after what the default you have set, it was showing that only. Now you can see it was freeze. You can't able to change the taxes. So that's how you can change the text, or you can't able to change the text. So you can use it. You can set the default and you can use it. So if you want to freeze, so you can freeze it, or if you want to allow change, so you can do that also by click on this. And you can set the default here also, so that it will show the default GST or default VAT. So just do it, and then after, if you have any issues or query, you can ask us. And thank you for watching.